As a truck driver, saving time and money is crucial. That's why I use the Trucker Guide app.
And I use Trucker Guide too. Wouldn't hit the road without it.
All right, let's take a look. I gotta see how this Trucker Guide app works.
Open navigation in the app. The first thing that pops up is a screen to enter your truck's dimensions. This makes sure routing is accurate. No worries if something changes. You can always update it later. Let's set up the first route to the drop-off location. Let's say it's to this address. Need to make another stop but don't have the exact address, like a job site? No problem. Use free mode to drop a pin right where you need to go. You can also drag and drop stops to change the order of your route anytime. Now let's look at the route options. You'll see the estimated time of arrival, and what really helps is the ability to preview entrances and exits, so you know exactly how to approach the location. In this case, I've got 2 route choices, and I'm going with the faster one. Next, I'm adding points of interest like truck stops, rest areas, and way stations. I'll also throw in my favorite truck stop for a quick break. Before heading out, I'll adjust route preferences. I want to avoid ferries and tunnels, and it's great to have hazmat routing options available too. Once navigation starts, the left side of the screen shows all your selected stops, plus current fuel prices at truck stops. You'll also see a compass, total trip distance, how far each stop is from my truck. The arrows showing which side of the road each location is on. Want a bigger map view? Just hide the bar. At the top, there's an info panel with upcoming turns, exit numbers, and other key details. At the bottom, you'll see the next stop's info distance, drive time, and estimated arrival to the next stop. And over on the right, you've got the speed limit display with overspeed alerts, a button for satellite view, and route overview feature so you can track your full trip and all your stops. Using the edit menu, you can add service locations to your route, like truck and trailer dealers, 24/7 roadside assistance, tire shops, and many other services. Under nav settings, turn on truck restrictions to see no truck zones, weight limits, and other helpful alerts. Now let's talk parking. In the settings, you can turn on parking status updates to show availability right on the map icons. Each parking spot shows when it was last updated and is color-coded. Green for many of space, yellow for limited, and red for full. I'm picking a spot with a fresh update and plenty of room, and adding it to the route. One last thing. For safety, I like to turn on the live camera feature now, and then to check road and weather conditions in real time. It helps me save time and money every trip. That's it. I've arrived at my first stop. Time to update the parking status and help the next driver out. Enjoy the #1 truck navigation, Trucker Guide.